My name is Malita Carter. I wear multiple hats within my personal and professional life. I'm a CEO and founder of Royal Snow, Naturalborn Leaders Academy, teaching young people entrepreneurship via mobile snow cone bus. I'm also a junior financial analyst, and emerging developer and real estate investor with a minority development firm here in the city. Before this class with AI, one of the ways that I was using AI was just very basic, edit my emails, look at some of these documents as well, and organize some of the things that I was dealing with and structuring some of my work. And since then, since completing the class, I've been able to create a custom GPT in a way that is an assistant and an educator as far as financial analysis, because being a financial analyst is challenging. And so I'm working to streamline the process, definitely specifically for emerging developers. And so using that as a way of getting these numbers to line up more efficiently and creating opportunities for junior developers like myself to even understand what is happening on the financial side, because the financial side is the art of the deal. It is important to train as many people in our community on prompt engineering because there is a digital divide that has already happened. And so it is important that people understand the necessary tool that is going to be used now and in the future that really changes the face of how we live and how we work. And so it is important to me that our people are not left behind.